Welcome to Mastering Notary Ethics, a comprehensive guide to best practices. I'm Phyllis Traylor, and I'm excited to embark on this journey with you. In this series, we'll explore what it takes to be a trusted, ethical notary and how to navigate the challenges you might face with confidence and integrity. Let me introduce myself briefly. I'm a U.S. Army veteran with 20 years of service. After my military career, I earned a master's degree in adult and higher education and became an assistant professor teaching at the college level for several years. Eventually, I transitioned into full time notary work in my early 50s. From my journey from military service to education and then to the notary profession taught me that no matter what role you're in, values like integrity, patience, and a commitment to excellence are always as essential. That's what drives me to share these lessons with you today. This series is designed especially for veterans, professionals 50 and over, and lifelong learners who care about doing things right. If you're someone who values service, ethics, and trust, you're in the right place. Each episode will guide you through practical skills and ethical principles to help you handle real world notary challenges effectively. We'll also draw insights from Professor Michael Clausen's Notary Best Practices, a cornerstone resource for this field. The role of a notary. So, what does it mean to be a notary? More than just witnessing a signature or stamping a document, a notary is a public official whose job is to verify identities, confirm intentions, and prevent fraud. Notaries are vital for ensuring the integrity of legal and financial transactions. Our work is about building trust and protecting the public from harm, whether it's safeguarding a contract or validating a will. As veterans and professionals over 50, the values you bring, honesty, reliability, and a deep sense of responsibility are exactly what makes you an ideal fit for notary work. Every notarization you perform strengthens public trust and provides peace of mind during critical moments. And this is why it's so important that we do them correctly. Imagine helping someone finalize a document that will help shape their future, like a loan closing on the mortgage on their first home or any home, because a home is like the largest purchase most people will ever make. That's a very important role. You're the person they rely on to ensure everything is legitimate and fair. That's why public trust is the heart of what we do. Key traits of a trusted notary. Professor Clausen emphasizes four essential traits of a trusted notary. These traits are likely familiar to many of you already. Integrity, acting truthfully even when no one is watching. Impartiality, treating everyone fairly regardless of personal relationships. Accuracy, being precise and detail oriented in every step. Diligence, ensuring every procedure is followed properly to protect the public. Together, these traits build the foundation of public trust. They're what sets you apart as a notary. Going beyond minimum qualifications. To start, notaries must meet basic requirements like passing a background check, meeting residency criteria, and taking an oath. But to truly excel, it's important to go beyond these basics and commit to ongoing learning. That's why I founded the Texas Notary Training Academy. At the Academy, we provide advanced training to help notaries handle real world challenges with confidence, from mastering ID verification to keeping detailed records. Our courses are designed to prepare you for success. The Academy is a place where you can build on your strength and learn the practical skills needed to serve your clients with excellence. It's not just about learning the rules, it's about developing the confidence to apply them in any situation. By investing in your training, you're setting yourself apart as a trusted professional notary. And in this case, if you decide that you do want to become a notary, this is one time where I will say don't fake it until you make it. Learn what you're doing so that you don't have to fake anything because you're confident in what you're doing and you know that you're going to be doing it the correct way. So get some training. Even if you don't use the academy, if you go somewhere else, just get some training. That way you continue to bring honor to this profession by doing the right thing. And that's what I'm trying to emphasize within the notary community, how important it is to do these notarizations correctly. Ethical foundations in notary work. Ethics are the heart of notary work. Every action we take, from verifying a signature to maintaining proper records, reflect on our integrity. Upholding ethical standards isn't optional. It's what allows us to protect the public and ourselves. This means refusing to notarize incomplete documents, ensuring the signer is present, and always maintaining impartiality. These principles safeguard not just the documents, but the trust our clients place in us as notaries. Supporting your journey. One of the best ways to grow as a notary is to connect with others who share your values. That's why I created the Texas Notary Patron Learning Community, a network of like minded professionals dedicated to ethical excellence. In the learning community, you can ask questions, share experiences, and get support when you face challenges. It's a space where we lift each other up. Over the next few episodes, we'll cover key topics to help you thrive as an ethical and trusted notary, including ethical record keeping to protect yourself and your clients, avoiding conflicts of interest to maintain impartiality, understanding the limits of notarial authority to stay within the law. These lessons will help you navigate your notary work with professionalism and confidence. If you found this video, please like and subscribe to support the series and stay updated on future episodes. It really helps more people discover these resources. I'd also like to invite you to join the Texas Notary Patron Learning Community, where you can connect with other notaries committed to ethical practices. And if you're ready to sharpen your skills, the Texas Notary Training Academy is here to guide you with practical hands-on learning. Thank you for being here. I'm excited to see where this journey takes you. Join us in the next episode where we'll explore the boundaries of a notary's authority, an essential foundation for protecting yourself and your clients. Let's keep making an impact in our communities, one notarization at a time. Again, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and follow us. Follow our channel. Thank you so much.